Stop scrolling. I'm about to tell you something that will save your career. AI can do 80% of your job, but the 20% it cannot do, that's worth 100% of your salary. And most people don't even know what it is. Everyone is scared right now. ChatGPT writes better emails. Midjourney designs better logos. Even your boss is asking, do we still need you? But here's what nobody is telling you. There is one skill AI will never, ever master. And the craziest part, you already have it. You just forgot how to use it. The skill is accountability, not responsibility. Responsibility is doing the task. Anyone can do that. AI can do that. Accountability is owning the result. When something goes wrong, you don't blame the tool. You don't blame the algorithm. You say, my fault. I'll fix it. AI cannot do that because AI has nothing to lose. You have everything to lose. Let me give you an example. A 24-year-old and a 54-year-old. Same job, same company. The young guy knows every AI tool. The older guy barely uses ChatGPT. One day, $1 million client threatens to leave. The young guy writes a perfect AI apology. Grammar? Flawless. Tone? Professional. The older guy? He picks up the phone. He says, I made the mistake. How do we fix it? Who kept the client? Not the one with AI, the one with accountability. Here's the truth they won't tell you. AI is amazing at tasks, terrible at outcomes. AI can write a contract, it cannot sign it. AI can diagnose a disease, it cannot look a family in the eye and deliver bad news. AI can optimize your day. It cannot stay up all night when someone needs you. That is your frame. That is your value. And no algorithm can take it. How do you get it back? 3 things. 1. Stop blaming. Your boss, the economy, your luck. Doesn't matter. 2. Make one decision today that only you can own. 3. When you fail, say I was wrong out loud. That's not weakness. That's the strongest thing a human can do.